Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna learn how to attain theraps question for third year students. Okay, so let's start the video. Basically I'll be giving you examples by taking the questions of Guyanak and surgery. So we're gonna see one by one now. And I will be dividing the questions as per asked in exams, like for 5 marks as for 10 marks. So we'll discuss both questions at the same time. So let's start with the very first question, that is from Guyanak, 5 marks question. So monaliasis with indications of 2 remedies. Now how to attend this type of questions? When 2 remedies, we have to write it by ourselves. So firstly we are going to write the clinical feature of monaliasis. Then we have to write everything about monaliasis but in a short. Then coming next, give a heading that homeopathic theraps for monaliasis, and then you have to start the theraps. So first therap will be whatever you choose. Then therap name of remedy you chose. Okay, then here comes common name for the remedy, then prover, and if family you remember. Okay, so this type you have to start. Then write elements from of that particular remedy for a particular disease. Then indicating symptoms you have to attend. Then write the constitution. In constitution you have to write miasms, then thermal relation, then write temperament, and if you remember the diathesis of that remedy, then you can write diathesis also. Then again you have to write physical general symptoms, then mental general symptoms, then the other guiding symptoms. Then modalities. So this modalities you have to write the common modalities, okay, not for this disease. Here in the indicating symptoms you have to write the symptoms, then the modalities for this disease for given clinical condition. Okay, you have to write in this indicating symptom. Then in constitution you have, if all the 3 miasms are present, then write all 3 miasms, and again on the next line you have to write sora, syphilis and psychosis. Then in the thermal relationship you have to give the patient is whether chilly or hot patient. Then temperament you have to write, diathesis you have to write. This both is optional. If you remember and if you feel ki yeah I am confident with this, so you can write, otherwise no need to attend this 2 headings. Okay, then physical generals. In physical general you have to write all the general symptoms which are present in the particular remedy which you have selected. Then for the mental symptoms the same, and other guiding symptoms. If you are having time, then you can write 4 to 5 points in this, otherwise you can just write 2 points and that's it. Here also you have to attend 2 points and that's it, 2 points and that's it. For 5 marks, if 2 theraps has been asked, that 2 remedies you have to write, then this particular heading should come for both the remedies, the first remedy as well as similar to the second remedy. Now we'll see the surgery question. So this is basically a 20 mark question which has been asked in exam, or you can take half question for 10 marks too. So we'll see for 20 and 10 marks. This was for 5 marks. Okay, so the question is, define hernia with its type and write it detail about the indirect inguinal hernia. Give indications of 2 homeopathic medicines for uncomplicated hernia. So here they have been asked the scope of homeopathy for hernia. Okay, so we have to attend this question. Like, firstly what they have asked the sub point, that define hernia. So you will be writing the definition of hernia, then write the types of hernia. You should classify the hernia, then write short information about the classification and explain in brief about it. Then take inguinal hernia, indirect inguinal hernia, explain it in detail. You have to explain each and every symptoms, then pathogenesis and everything in this part, because they have asked you to explain in detail. Then coming, give indications of 2 homeopathic theraps for uncomplicated hernia. So you will be writing the scope of homeopathy, like, yeah, this hernia can be the uncomplicated symptoms of hernia can be treated by the homeopathic mean of treatment. So you will be writing those 2 remedies which are really. So the first remedy you will be writing, you are going to attend this question too. So name of the remedy first you will be writing, then same common name, prover, family, elements from indicating symptoms. But here in indicating symptoms, you are gonna write more symptoms, like you should be writing 5 to 6 points in this indicating symptoms. Then in constitution, this as per regular. Then in physical generals, you have to write more points, likewise 4 points should be there. Then in mental generals, okay, 2 points, but other guiding symptoms you should be writing 5 to 6 points in this. Then common modalities, you are able to attend this common modalities too. Then you should be writing the relationships, like this particular remedy is antidoting this remedy, or this remedy is antidoted by that remedy, complementary remedies, then inimical remedies, that relationship also you should be writing. So I'll show you the example. This is the remedy acid phos, which is given in the diabetes insipidus. So in this remedy I have written, see, common name, then the prover, then the elements from here, then indicating symptoms, 4 points, constitution, that is miasm, thermal relation, then temperament, then physical generals, some more points like 4 points, then in mental generals, other guiding symptoms, and the modalities. So modalities you should be writing aggravation, then amelioration, and what are the aggravation points and what are the ameliorating points. This kind of thing you have to attend. I also have the Instagram handle name called Dynamic Homeopathy, and if you want the notes for the same and also for the other subjects, you can go and check that channel and also follow me on Instagram too. If you like this video, then do please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.